establish the identity cotangent 2 theta equals 1/2 of cotangent theta minus tangent theta. So it's a double angle, and we don't have a direct formula for cotangent 2 theta, but we do have formula for tangent 2 theta, and cotangent is 1 over tangent, reciprocal of tangent. At the same time, cotangent is ratio of cosine and sine. So cotangent 2 theta is same as cosine 2 theta over sine 2 theta. Okay, and let me write down what is cosine. Cosine 2 theta is, in fact, there are three forms, and the first is cosine square minus sine square, and sine 2 theta is 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. If we get the ratio of cosine and sine, that will be cotangent. So let's start from the right hand side and hope we get cosine square theta minus sine square theta on the top and 2 times sine cosine on the bottom. Then that will be cosine over sine, and cosine over sine is cotangent. Okay, or we can start from the left hand side, and cotangent is cosine over sine, and replace cosine 2 theta by this and sine 2 theta by this. It's got 2 this over this, and we can split into two fractions. So either way, so let me do by left hand side. So here left hand side, okay, left hand side is cotangent 2 theta. Cotangent is cosine over sine, and we have the formulas for cosine double angle and sine double angle. Cosine is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. By the way, two terms. On the bottom there is only one. We got three factors though. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. Look at the right hand side, our destination. We have to have 1/2, so this 2 can be pulled, just leave outside as 1/2. Now I want to separate this into two fractions because we have two terms on the top. It's like a minus b over, let's say, cd. That is a over cd minus b over cd. Okay, if you combine these two, they are same denominator, then you get this back. So let's split into two fractions so that we'll get two terms. So cosine square theta over sine cosine, 2 is out, so sine cosine minus sine square theta over sine cosine. Okay, that is 1/2. Now look, cosine square means cosine times cosine, and one cosine, so one copy of cosine, cosine cancel. Similarly, one copy of sine, sine cancel. Now cosine theta over sine, cosine over sine is cotangent, minus sine over cosine is tangent. That is what we have in the right hand side. Right hand side final. Or we can just do the reverse process, exactly reverse process, and get to the left hand side final.